Hello, everyone. I'm Jagger. So today we're going to do a supplemental video for Boundless Taejuk. I've done a video on Gujuju. I saw a lot of players buy back after the good reviews. Received a lot of positive feedback. Said his feel better sound better. I also feel very pleased. Because after all, it is a knife recommended by myself. I also went to the video. I also mentioned in the video. It's one of the few knives I'm interested in. So if people are happy with it, I'm actually quite happy. So today I'm going to make I'd like to add something about the Thai 99. In my hand, this is a Thai alloy version of the 99. You can see that the inner groove is not designed to reduce weight. For the discus version, it's this kind of skeleton. So the other difference is that the 99 is a standardized blade. You can see this edge. There are lines. It's a standardized blade. The 99 I'm holding, it comes with a full counterweight. It's fully loaded with weights. Let's see how much it weighs. It weighs 127.2 grams with full weight. To be honest, this weight is still close to the weight of the IP. The IP weight is about 133 grams. Then this knife. Its overall feel and the sound it makes. I think it's also more like the IP. This is actually an alternative to the IP. In fact, many people think so. Then let's listen to it. What is the sound performance of the T99? How does it sound compared to the steel version? What's the difference? Well, the T version sounds like this. Let's listen to the steel version. There's a difference. But I can't tell. Which one sounds better? I think this T version of BM99. It's very much like the IP sound. It's like that. So this BM99 in Thai alloy also comes with a practice head. It's still quite distinctive. It's not ugly. It's not good looking either. It's quite a weird head. Maybe it'll look better if you play tricks. So here's one for it. It's a Terra alloy version of the 99. It's loaded. Let's take a look at this. From the product in this video. I think it's more like that. Palm leaves. Like the feeling of iron tree leaves. So I think it's a more weird type. After playing a lot of butterfly knife, we'll be interested in this kind of. After playing a lot with butterfly knives, you'll be more interested in these knives. So the feel of this practice tip. It's similar to the steel version of the 99. The feel of the practice head is similar to the steel version. If you use the original head, it's a bit lighter than the steel version. In fact, it's a little bit more like a one-piece AB. Have you ever played with the carbon alloy version of the one-piece AB? The rear inertia is heavier. How do you play it? You can't get a particularly fast feeling. It's not bad with full weights. If it's completely unweighted. I also have one that I play without any weight at all. I feel very light. And now it's an unweighted Taikuju, weighing 113.9 grams on the body.